Hey crafty parents and awesome kiddos! Easter's just around the corner and we've got 5 ideas that'll make it a hop-tastic time. These activities are perfect for Pinterest and YouTube because they're simple, colorful, and fun. So grab your supplies, put on your bunny ears, and let's get cracking. Dazzling decorated eggs. Hard-boil some eggs, safety first. Time to get creative. Use food coloring for classic swirls or unleash your inner artist with paints, markers, and stickers. Feeling fancy? Washi tape comes in tons of patterns to add an extra pop. The ultimate egg hunt. Hide plastic eggs filled with treats around the house or yard. Get sneaky. Hide some eggs in tougher spots for older kids. Make it colorful. Fill eggs with bright candies or small toys. Don't forget the basket. Craft your own with construction paper, paint, and ribbons. Let your imagination run wild. Basket bonanza. Upcycle an old basket or grab a plain one from the store. Decorate with markers, paint, and colorful paper. Add fluffy pom-poms or pipe cleaner whiskers for a bunny twist. Personalize it. Let your kids write their names or draw Easter pictures. Bunnies on the loose, it's craft time. Explore tons of easy bunny projects online. Bunny masks, adorable ears, or finger puppets. Use colorful felt, construction paper, or pipe cleaners. Bonus points for floppy ears and cute cotton ball tails. Snuggle up with a story. Grab your favorite Easter books or discover new ones at the library. Cuddle up and read about the Easter bunny, springtime fun, or the meaning of Easter. Make it interactive. Act out the stories or draw pictures of your favorite parts. There you have it, 5 fantastic activities to make your Easter unforgettable. Remember, Easter fun is all about getting creative, spending time together, and making memories that last a lifetime. Happy Easter, everyone!